Industry 4.0 offers the opportunity for manufacturers to optimize their operations quickly and efficiently by knowing what needs attention and by analyzing the data from sensors in its equipment. Our Retrofit kit is an edge computing solution that turns any dumb device into smart equipment. In many factories, the machines are very old and rarely monitored. They have no sensors, no controller, and no connectivity. In many cases, deploying a control system is very expensive and almost impossible. The Retrofit kit, turning dumb device into smart equipment. It can be attached to any machine and collects data. It measures temperature, the vibration, and the current consumption, and provides the production line manager with insights about the machine status. Cloud and analytics find a new address at the edge, and the benefits are clear. Real-time data analysis, fast-rate data samples, data security, reducing operational cost, offloading computing tasks, and robust data acquisition. Making sense from the sensors. The Retrofit kit analyzes everything that matters. It connects to your existing assets and follows this process. Identify potential data sources, continuously collecting the data, use AI to define the normal behavior of the system as a baseline, continually listens to the data, compares it to the normal baseline and detects abnormalities, and it flags on emerging failures before they happen and provides insight on what to do about it. Diagsense connects to any source of data and finds how the different variables work together. Diagsense delivers accurate results, often before faults happen and before things get escalated. Diagsense, making sense from machine raw data.